In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Spanx discount codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, open your web browser and you'll have to search for Spanx discount code. Right here, we have this website which is called retailermail.com. And if you open this website, as you can see, we have a listed promo codes that we can use to get a discount. For example, if I want to get this one with 10% off, all I have to do is select your code right here, and this is a discount code. I can copy this one right here and use it on my next purchase in order to get my discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, we have another website which is called couponfollow.com. You can open this one right here and see that there are also some deals and promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to take this discount 10% on my next order, all I have to do is select show coupon code right here. And this is the discount code that I can use in order to get the discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.